Darlings, welcome back to my review. This is Cece, and today we're doing air freshener slash room spray. I remember it on my own. Shut up.
Yeah, okay.
Anyway, air freshener slash room spray, whatever you want to call it. And we're going to do 3 different types today that have like 3 different holiday smells for like holiday season. And yeah, so let's get into it. Okay guys, the first one we're going to do is called Candy Hearts. It actually sounds like a Valentine's Day scent, but it's one of the winter aroma blends I actually got from the, these essential oils that I get from Aurora Cassia. Yep, that's how you say that. Anyway, so this is just one of the ones I didn't make up on my own. So anyway, I had a bunch of them, but I narrowed it down to 3, and the ones I thought smell more Christmassy. But anyway, so we're gonna start with this one. This one we're gonna have fleshed up. Okay. So this one we're gonna actually, I forgot to explain. This is like a fourth of how do you say that? Vodka.
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 Yes.
Yeah. And then you're gonna add some water. Okay, and then we're gonna add 2 drops of lemon. If I did that many. Then we're gonna add this vanilla comes out like very shut up.
Having trouble.
You shut up. No, because this vanilla, I'm telling you, it's not like my normal scented oil, so when this comes out, it springs up. See?
Crazy.
And then we're going to have 2 drops of lime. Or 3. I mean, the drops ain't necessarily like, I mean, if you want to get the right scent, then yeah, but
Drinking wine on the job.
Hmm?
Drinking wine on the job.
Oh, well. No. Can you just shake that up? Smells a little festive. Anyway, that's your first one. And we're going to get into the second one. Okay. Now we're going to move on to our second scent, which is called Holiday Cheer. I didn't have a name for it. Shut up. Okay.
Look at you.
What?
You heard
Shut
me.
your fucking.
You do your video.
Okay.
Don't.
So, same thing. I got my vodka.
Vodka and wine.
I'll put my water in. And this is just 2 simple ones. We've got wintergreen. And wintergreen is like a very strong scent, and it actually really stinks at first. But once it settles, it smells yummy. So I'll put 3 drops of wintergreen just because it's, really strong. And then I'm going to do 4 drops of my fresh ginger. And guys, give this a minute, like I said, to set, just for that wintergreen to act like it's got some sense. And we're going to shake it, and that's your, what do I call it?
Holiday cheer.
Yep, I guess that's what it's called. Anyway, let's move on to the third one. Okay guys, we're going to do the final one, and this one's really simple as well. So again, like we've done twice already, we got our vodka and our water. This is just 2 simple ingredients, well, 2 simple ones, just like the last one, like I said. So this one we got peppermint. So we're gonna do If it wants to come out. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have sweet orange. You know, like when you was a kid and you stick your orange, and you know, Christmas Day you take your peppermint and you put it inside your orange. Okay, maybe I was going to do that.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, and then you got that in there. I think that was 3 drops. I don't really know. And shake that up. And that's it. So, yeah. They all smell like, well, except for the first one. So the first one don't really have like a holiday scent to me, but it just smells really good. But these last 2, so if you want to smell like smelly Christmassy in your house, then yeah, I recommend these last 2. The first one just smells really good. But anyway, that's all for today. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day. Bye.